Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Leo at number 1, followed by Uniswap, Litecoin, Near, Kaspa, ICP, Fetch, and then we'll end it with Sui at number 30, which is Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Let's get straight into it. Leo against BTC. Okay, so for Leo, we've been saying this for some time, that potentially this is a rising channel that hits lower. We think it's going to go lower, right? I suspect we're heading towards this noisy area over here. I strongly suspect that we're heading lower, right? There could be rallies here and there, but I still suspect we're heading lower eventually. So as it stands, yeah, I'm bias bearish for Leo BTC. Against USD, I think there's one more wave towards the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, pump up, wave 5. I think there's a wave 5 coming on for Leo against USD, falling channel. A little bit more upside. We have been anticipating this high to be taken out. So watch out for a little bit more upside for Leo. Uniswap. Oh my god. What is happening? What is happening with Uniswap? Yeah, I don't know what Hayden is doing. Hayden and team. We are still in a falling channel against BTC. Uniswap continues to lose its dominance against BTC. You do not want to see that. Could we still drop much lower? Of course. But as it stands, no signs of life for Uni BTC. Against USD, Uniswap is... again, there's this fear that we will complete a right shoulder. Holding is like a head, left shoulder. This will bring us to potentially sub $1. If we complete a right shoulder, right? But it looks like we're going to complete a right shoulder, sadly. I mean, if we go higher, then great, of course. But as it stands, Uniswap is not looking good. Litecoin against BTC. Here we are for Litecoin. Any signs of life for Litecoin? No, not against BTC. Against USD, Litecoin is, yep, we're still loyal to our target over here at $32. This still looks pretty weak to me. So eventually, we're still anticipating Litecoin to head lower. Could there be strong rallies here and there? Sure, of course. But we're still anticipating Litecoin to come back down to complete the big head and shoulders as Litecoin continues collapsing. So yeah, if you just look at the BTC pair, Litecoin is just not really looking that good. Near against BTC. Here we are for Near. Near is also under the skinny pink line. We are anticipating the possibility of a bearish continuation as we head lower for Near BTC. Near against USD. We are also under the skinny pink line. Could there be strong rallies here and there? Yeah. But the moment you touch the skinny pink line, you cross it, we're bias bearish, and we're anticipating more downside for Near protocol. Kaspa against BTC. If you look at Kaspa BTC on Bitcoin, maybe an inverse head and shoulders. But if you look at Kaspa against USD, right, it's not looking good. Kaspa has touched the skinny pink line, and we think it's only a matter of time before this rising channel, rising wedge breaks lower. And you see that Kaspa is beginning to curve back down. You see that? There could be another rally, but oh boy, it's not looking good to me. If anything, I think Kaspa is a shot though. It's very ugly. So yeah, super bearish for Kaspa. But the only question is the timing. You have to get the timing right. Internet COmputer. Let's go. Internet COmputer. ICP against BTC. Anything for ICP? No. Any signs of life? No. I mean, we could do something like this though. But still, we need to see the rise first. If anything, I will be late for ICP. I will have to watch the movements of the price. As it stands, yeah, there's also a potential for us to drop lower, forming new all-time lows. Against USD, ICP is already under the skinny pink line. We have a clear target over here, 571, and we're anticipating a mountain range to complete as we head lower. I think we're going to go past 571. So ICP is still bearish to us. We're still anticipating ICP to head lower. So ICP is a short though. Fetch. Here we are for Fetch against BTC. We are... looks like a head and shoulders, but it's not exactly that. We've hit the skinny pink line, so I suspect there could be a drop coming on for Fetch BTC against USD. Fetch is... yeah, we could be heading higher though. There is potential. Look at this. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Will we break back up? Of course. Of course. We did that before over here. Marking around just under the skinny pink line. And then suddenly we break out. Marking around just under, suddenly break out. Sure, of course. But as it stands, Yeah, usually when you hit the skinny pink line, right, you gotta stay cautious. We are gonna stay cautious for fetch. Sui against BDC. Here we are for Sui. Sui is heading back up. Oh, best case scenario for Sui is we complete an inverse head and shoulders over here. When it's time, bam, we blast off for Sui against BDC. Against USD, Sui, we have a target, ta-da, fresh out of the oven at $1.28. We are also marking around the skinny pink line. We're not too sure if this is going to turn out bearish. Bullish case is we do something like this, right? But we're under the skinny pink line though. I don't really like this. I honestly don't. This could also turn into a head and shoulders. Bearish case, right? Bullish case is we go all the way up. And this whole thing could be a very, very big ABCD before it break higher, right? But the thing is, this down move is still going to come. More likely than not. Which means that the skinny pink line will be just, running through this big accumulation consolidation. And by the year 2027, when it rolls around, yeah, I think there could be a big spike. By stance, yeah, no, I think we're heading to 128 first, so a target fresh out of the oven. I'm not sure if we're going to be taking out these highs, but yeah, we're under the skinny pink line and we're kind of struggling to stay above it. So yeah, don't really have a good feeling about this right now. I still suspect we'll come back down. I still suspect this is gonna happen. But we still have upside target, so we're gonna respect the 128 target for Sui. Fresh out of the oven. Although we are very close to it already. So yeah, there you go. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!